Before starting the test, please prepare the standard solution and concentration samples for the test items. Once the machine is successfully activated, open the Spectro Biotesting app. First, we need to scan for the device. Then choose the device to connect. Once the connection is established, you'll be taken to the main menu. From here, you can choose the test item and initiate the testing process. The first thing we need to do is to test the pre-prepared standard solution. We'll first start with the low concentration standard solution. Place the sample into the device and click Read to. After that's done, proceed to test with the high concentration standard solution. Place the sample similarly and click Read to again. Once that's done, you can move on to testing different concentration samples. Insert the first concentration sample, and click Read to. Upon completing the test, the value and intensity of the concentration will be displayed. Click Insert Next Sample for the next concentration test. Place the sample similarly and click Read to. After completing the tests, click Show Results. The system will display a comprehensive concentration data report. Click Finish to download the report as a local file. Once the file is downloaded, then you can return to the home page to initiate the next round of testing.